Okay, it's official. Everybody that owns a Cybertruck wants to wrap it, and there's a variety of reasons why. Number one, the stainless steel appearance is actually pretty cool, but as we've all seen, fingerprints are an issue. Cleaning up fingerprints is an issue, very difficult. And also, there's discoloration happening between different panels of the stainless steel on the truck that overall just doesn't give a very good look. So color change wraps have been extremely popular. We have plenty of videos that we've done already. I hope you've seen them, they're great. But a lot of people want to stay true to that stainless steel look. So you've got clear PPF, you've got satin PPF, but that still doesn't help with the discoloration appearance that the trucks have. The Inozetek Super Gloss Metallic Silver vinyl film, I feel, is the solution. This film, as you can see, has a look that's very much in line with the stainless steel, very much in line with the silver tones of the Cybertruck, and absolutely looks great. In the sun, it's bright, and in the shade and at night, it's a little bit more toned down. It looks really, really good. Almost like on how maybe the Cybertruck should have come in stainless steel, but this wrap actually is very easy to maintain. You don't have fingerprinting issues, and it actually does protect the truck to a certain degree from road rash and other things that might abuse it. Also, we don't have to worry about the small rusting issue that Tesla's dealing with right now. So wrapping your truck, again, it's what everybody's doing. The question is, do you want it to be in color? Do you want it to be in PPF? Or what do you guys think about this metallic silver wrap? Is this the answer? Personally, I think it is. I think if you want to go ahead and stay true to form, to the image and the appearance and what the Cybertruck really stands for in stainless, I think you should wrap it in Inozetek Super Gloss Metallic Silver. So that's been done here. Let's talk about the wheels. So changing the wheels out on a Cybertruck is very popular for a variety of reasons. We've spoken about it in previous videos. People want an upgraded look, they want a finished look, and maybe you want to size up. And as you know, the Cybertruck comes with a 20-inch wheel and tire setup. And while we have plenty of solutions for that, we are the first in the world to have a 24-inch wheel for the Cybertruck. And this customer chose my personal favorite, our 24-inch CTM wheels. This is a monoblock, fully forged wheel made at our facilities here in Los Angeles, California, finished in gloss black. And I absolutely love the center cap assembly. How cool is this, right? I mean, first of all, it covers up all the mounting hardware, so you don't see the lug nuts and you don't have to deal with lug nut covers. And then second of all, ghosted behind this lens is our T-sportline logo, which actually floats. So when you're driving, the logo always stays straight. Very cool. This wheel also comes in satin black, but because of the super high gloss look of this wrap, the customer chose high gloss black for the wheels. I think that was a good choice too. The 24-inch tire is great. It's made by Nitto. These are called the Recon Grappler AT. It's an all-terrain tire. It's got that off-road kind of chunky look. And you know what? I have driven extensively on the 24s, and it absolutely drives great. Just as good as the 20s in my opinion, and no, they're not noisy. So anyway, guys, what do you think? This truck's all done. It's about to get delivered today, right in time for the weekend. I'd love to hear some comments below about this color wrap. What do you guys think about 24s? And what do you think about our new CTM wheels? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of Cybertruck content coming your way soon.